already 6 sums are completed. Now we are see the seventh one. Write the question. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is eight times the larger number. 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. Solution. See the question. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. Difference of squares of two numbers. That means larger number square minus smaller number square is 180. So we are taking let larger number is equal to x. Larger number is equal to x square of the number. Square of a number is equal to x square. Square of a number is equal to x square. Next, given that square of a smaller number is 8 times the larger number. So it is 8x. Square of a smaller number is equal to, what do we say that? 8 times the larger number. So 8 into x, that is equal to 8x. Next, by the given sum, difference of squares of two numbers difference of squares of two numbers is equal to 180. That means x square minus 8x is equal to 180. Difference of squares of two numbers, x square minus 8x. Now I transpose 180. X square minus 8x minus 180 is equal to 0. Factors of 180. 18 tens are 180. 18 minus 10 is equal to 8. So x square minus 18x plus 10x minus 180 is equal to 0. In first two terms, common with x minus 18 and common with 10, x minus 18 is equal to 0. Again common with x minus 18. X minus 18 into x plus 10 is equal to 0. Now equating each term is equal to 0. X minus 18 is equal to 0 or x plus 10 is equal to 0. X is equal to 18 or x is equal to minus 10. Find the two numbers. If x is equal to 18, that means it is the larger number. So smaller number is x is equal to 18. That means larger number is equal to 18. Square of a smaller number. Square of a smaller number is equal to 8x. Square of a smaller number is equal to 8x. That is equal to 18 to 18. That is equal to 144. Therefore, smaller number is equal to root of 144. That is equal to 12. Smaller number root of 144. That is equal to 12. Next one, eighth sum. Write down eighth one. A train travels. Read the question. A train travels 360 kilometer. 360 kilometer at a uniform speed. At a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 kilometer per hour more, 5 kilometer per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. Find the speed of the train. Find the speed of the train. Solution. Let speed of the train is equal to x kilometer per hour. Distance is equal to 360 kilometer. Distance is equal to 360 kilometer. Next, time taken to the journey. Time taken to the journey. Time t. T is equal to d by s. Distance by speed. So distance is 360 by speed x. Next, if speed increases, (5 km per hour), then time taken to the journey, then time taken to the journey, time taken to the journey is equal to, that means distance by speed, distance is same, 360 by speed is 5 km more, that means x plus 5, 360 by x plus 5. Next, given that that means 1 hour more time to take it to the journey. So difference between the two timings is 1 hour. 360 by x minus 360 by x plus 5 is equal to 1 hour. We are common with 360. 360 to 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 1. Take the LCM. 360 into x into x plus 5, x plus 5 minus x, that is equal to 1. Cancel values, x and x are cancelled. The remaining value is 360 into 5 by multiplying these two values, x into x, x square, x into 5, 5x, that is equal to 1. Now we are multiplying this value, that means cross multiplying that. 360 into 5, 5 into 0, 0, 5 6 are 33, 5 3 are 15 plus 3, 18, 1800 is equal to x square plus 5x. Now we have transpose the value, x square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. X square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. So the factors of 1800 to give the value of 5. Table, 2 90s, again 2 table, 2 45s, 22s are 40, 40 plus 5, 85, 40 minus 5, sorry, 45 minus 40, 5. So the values are minus 1800 plus 45 minus 40, 45 minus 40, 5. So x square plus 45x minus 40x minus 1800 is equal to 0. In first two terms, common with x into x plus 45. Next two terms, common with minus 40. X plus 45 is equal to 0. Again common with x plus 45. The remaining value is x minus 40 is equal to 0. Now equating each term is equal to 0. X plus 45 is equal to 0 or x minus 40 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 45 or x is equal to 40. X means speed of the train, it is not negative, therefore x is equal to, we are taking the positive value, x is equal to 40. X means speed of the train. Speed of the train, x is equal to 40 km per hour. Speed of the train, x is equal to 40 km per hour. Next one, ninth sum. Write down two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours. Less than the smaller one. To fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Solution: two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hours. 9 3/8 hours. That means 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 3, 75 by 8 hours. Two taps fill the tank, and there are two taps. First one is smaller diameter pipe, and second one is larger diameter tap. Larger diameter tap takes 10 hours less time to fill the tank separately. So first of all, we are taking the smaller diameter tap, that is x hours. Solution: let time taken to the tank by smaller diameter tap is equal to x hours. Let time taken to fill the tank by smaller diameter tap is equal to x hours. Given that time taken to larger diameter tap to fill the tank is equal to x minus 10 hours. 10 hours plus time take that. So that is equal to x minus 10 hours. Given that time taken to larger diameter tap to fill the tank. Larger diameter tap to fill the tank is 10 hours plus time to take that. So x minus 10 hours. Given that both of them to fill the tank, both of them to fill the tank is equal to 9 3 by 8 hours. 9 3 by 8 hours, that is equal to 8 9 plus 72. 72 plus 3, 75 by 8 hours. 75 by 8 hours. Next, work done by smaller diameter tap smaller diameter tap alone, smaller diameter tap is equal to 75 by 8 by x. 75 by 8 by x, that is equal to 75 by 8x. Next, work done by larger diameter tap is equal to 75 by 8 by x minus 10, that is equal to 75 by 8 into x minus 10. 75 by 8 into x minus 10. These two work done by fill the tank separately. 75 by 8x, 75 by 8 into x minus 10. These two wells are equal to fill the one tank. These two taps to fill the one tank only. So sum of these work done are equal to 1. That means 75 by 8x plus 75 by 8 into x minus 10 is equal to 1. Comma with 75 by 8, 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10, that is equal to 1. Take LCM. X into x minus 10, 1 into x minus 10, x minus 10 plus x, that is equal to 1. X plus x, 2x, 2x minus 10 by x into x square minus x into 10, 10x is equal to 1. Now we are multiplying these two values. 75 into 2x, 75 2's 150x minus 75 into 10, 750 by 8 into x square, 8x square minus 8 into 10, 80x is equal to 1. Now we are cross multiplying that. 150x minus 750 is equal to 8x square minus 80x. Now we are transpose the values that side. 8x square minus 80x minus 150x plus 750 is equal to 0. 8x square minus 80 minus 150 minus 230x plus 750 is equal to 0. Now we are cancelling the two table. 4x square minus two table we calculate that 115x plus 375 is equal to 0. 375 is equal to 0. Now we have factorized the value. 4 into 375. 5 table, 5 sevens, 35, 2, 25, 5 fives. Here 115 we want. 4 fives are 20, 20 plus 75, 95 only. Again 5 table, 5 15s. 5 threes, 5 fives, 25, 25 twos, 25 fives, 125, 4 threes are 12, 115, 125 minus 12, 2 twos. 5 twos are 10, 5 twos are 10, 10 fives 50, 53 is 150. So the values two threes are 6, 6 fives are 30, 30, twos are 60. Now we are using the quadratic formula. Now we are using the quadratic formula. It is comparing with it is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 115, c is equal to 375. Quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now we are substituting the values. X is equal to minus of minus 115 plus or minus root of minus 115 whole square minus 4 into a 4 into c 375 by 2 into 4 2a minus into minus plus 115 plus or minus root of what is the value of 115 whole square? That means 115 into 115 5 5 is 25 5 1 5 plus 2 7 5 1 5 1 5 is 1 1 1 5 is 1 1 5 7 plus 5 12 5 plus 5 10 plus 11 plus 1 12 1 plus 1 plus 1 3 1 3 2 2 5 minus 375 into 4 4 5s are 20 4 7s are 28 plus 2 30 4 3s are 12 12 plus 3 15 1500 into 4 4 5s are 20 4 1s are 4 plus 2 6000 by 2 4s are 8 115 plus or minus root of 13225 minus 6000 7225. What is the root value of 7225 is 85 85 by 8. Now we are taking one positive and one negative, that means plus 85 and minus 85. X is equal to 115 plus 85 by 8 x is equal to 115 minus 85 by 8. X is equal to 115 plus 85 200 by 8 or x is equal to 115 minus 85 30 by 8 30 by 8 4 2s 4 50s 2 1s 2 25s. X is equal to 25 2 215. X is equal to 15 by 4. X is equal to 25 or x is equal to 15 by 4. 15 by 4 means it is nearly 3 point something, 3.75 hours. X means we are taking the larger diameter tap to fill the tank in hours. Small diameter tap. Therefore, time taken to fill the tank by smaller diameter tap is equal to 25 hours. 25 hours. 25 hours. Time taken to fill the tank by larger diameter tap is equal to 25 minus 10. 10 hours less time it takes. That is equal to 15 hours. In case of we are taking 15 by 4, that means 3.75. 3.75 minus 10. It is gives negative value. It is not possible. So we are taking only larger value. That means x is equal to 25 hours. It is important sum for 4 marks. Very important. Next, 10th one. 10th sum. Tenth one, write down an express train. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train. 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 kilometer. To travel 132 kilometer between Mysore and Bangalore. Between Mysore and Bangalore. If the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour more. Express train is 11 km per hour more than that of the passenger train. More than that of the passenger train. Find the average speed of the two trains. Find the average speed of the two trains. 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 Solution. Let speed of the passenger train is equal to x kilometer per hour. X kilometer per hour. Speed of the passenger train is equal to x kilometer per hour. Next, speed of the express train is equal to x plus 11 kilometer per hour. It is average speed of 11 kilometers more than the passenger train. Distance traveled by the train is equal to 132 kilometers. Time t is equal to distance by speed d by s. Time taken to passenger train distance by speed 132 by x hours. Next, time taken to express train one 32 by x plus 11 hours. 132 by x plus 11 hours. It takes 1 hour less time to passenger train. So given that means difference between two times is 1 hour. So it takes more time, it takes less time. So 132 by x minus 132 by x plus 11 is equal to 1 hour. Common with 132, 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 11 is equal to 1. Take LCM. 132 into x into x plus 11 to the value x plus 11 minus x is equal to 1 plus x minus x cancel. 132 into 11 by x into x, x square plus 11 into x, 11x is equal to 1. So cross multiply that. 132 into 11, 1 into x square plus 11x, 132 into 11, 11 2s are 22, 2, 11 3s are 33, plus 2, 35, 11 1s are 11 plus 3, 14, 1452 is equal to x square plus 11x, x square plus 11x. Now we have transposed the value. X square plus 11x minus 1452 is equal to 0. 1452 is equal to 0. Now we are factorize the values. That means 1452. Factors of 11 into 132. See the values. 11 into 132, 1452. Again 12 into 11. So 11 are 132. So the values are 4 threes, 11 fours, and 11 threes. 44 minus 33. So the value is 11. So x square plus 44x minus 33x minus 1452 is equal to 0. In first two terms, common with x plus 44, again common with minus 33, x plus 44 is equal to 0. Now we are common with x plus 44, x minus 33 is equal to 0, x plus 44 is equal to 0 or x minus 33 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 44 or x is equal to 33. X means speed of the train. It is not negative. Therefore, x is equal to 33. That means speed of the passenger train. X is equal to 33 kilometer per hour. Next, speed of the express train. Is equal to x plus 11, that is equal to 33 plus 11, that is equal to 44 kilometer per hour. 44 kilometer per hour. These are the speeds of passenger train and express train.